Water beside a skylight does not always mean rain is coming through the skylight. Sometimes the moisture is being created inside the room, and the weather pattern usually exposes the difference. If dripping appears during rain, inspect where the stain begins. Moisture along the uphill edge often points to failed flashing or water backing up behind debris. Leakage at one corner may come from a separated flashing joint. Water forming between the glass and frame can indicate a failed glazing seal. Now consider condensation. If droplets appear on the inside glass during cold weather, especially after showers, cooking, or overnight temperature drops, warm indoor air may be condensing on the cold skylight. In that case, the roof may not be leaking at all. Ventilation, indoor humidity, and insulation around the skylight shaft need attention. For rain-related leakage, clear leaves and debris from the channels around the skylight using safe ground level or professional access. Don't push roofing cement into drainage openings or weep holes designed to release water. From the attic, follow the highest wet point. Water entering above the skylight and traveling down the roof deck may make an intact skylight look responsible. Check for damaged shingles, underlayment, or roof penetrations farther uphill. Avoid covering the entire frame with sealant. Modern skylights rely on layered flashing kits that integrate with the shingles. Surface caulk may redirect water behind those layers and hide the real failure. Cracked exterior sealant at one confirmed frame joint may be replaceable after the old material is removed and the surface is cleaned. Bent, corroded, missing, or incorrectly installed flashing usually requires partial removal of the surrounding shingles. Here is the simplest test. Droplets forming on the room-facing glass suggest condensation. Wet decking outside the skylight shaft points toward roof drainage or flashing. Find which surface becomes wet first, and the skylight will stop taking the blame for leaks that began somewhere else.